1 year ago this week, I posted my very first video here on YouTube. Well, 185 videos later, and I'm still here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how much money I actually made in my first year here on YouTube. Now, a lot of other people doing these videos will show you their earnings at the very end, but I'm going to show you right now. So you all can see in the past 365 days, I've gotten 1.4 million views, and my revenue ended up being $11,186.98. So now that you've actually seen what I made in my first year, I'm going to take the time to go through and actually show you how I made that much money in my very first year on YouTube. Before we get started, be sure to go down below, hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. Alright, so why did I even start this channel in the first place, and why did I choose to talk about finance? Well, I actually was sitting on YouTube one day in December of 2019, and I was actually watching one of Graham Stephan's videos. He's probably the largest personal finance YouTuber. And I was watching one of his videos about credit card hacks, how to get free points and free cash from credit cards. And after I went down a rabbit hole of watching his videos, watching other related videos, I asked myself, why can't I just do this myself? So after some research, studying other YouTubers in the personal finance and lifestyle niche, I decided to start my own channel. Now, I did my very first video on why college students should get a credit card. It was pretty poorly done, but if you want to go watch it, I'll link it up above. So in my beginning stages, in the first few months of posting videos, I was doing a lot of credit card based videos and videos geared towards younger people that don't really know anything about money. So I kept doing that, and I wasn't really gaining too much traction. I probably got my channel up to around 400 to 500 subscribers. So my goal for the end of the year, that would be the end of 2020, was just to reach 1,000 subscribers. Now, for those of you that don't know, to be a part of the YouTube Partner Program and actually start earning money from ads on your videos, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Now, from me starting at the end of January 2020, it took me about 4 months to reach those goals. Now, I was able to do that in such a short amount of time compared to other YouTubers because I followed a thing called Trendjacking. This is basically when there's a popular trend going around the internet or a popular topic in the news, and that's really what I based my videos off of. Trendjacking is definitely a good way to gain subscribers and gain viewers organically. Now, the trend I hopped on was happening in the spring, summertime when the virus was really ramping up and there was all the talk about stimulus packages and stimulus checks. So I was able to identify that there was this huge audience, basically everybody in the United States, and they wanted to know more about their stimulus check, when they'd be getting it, and all of the details. So I started making videos about stimulus checks, and my videos caught on pretty quickly. There was actually 2 videos that really skyrocketed my channel's views and subscribers. They were, of course, stimulus check videos, but they were targeting Social Security recipients. For some reason, veterans and Social Security recipients weren't receiving their checks in a timely manner, and they had a lot of questions. I ended up making a few videos on that topic, and my views skyrocketed. I think one video that broke through got me 20,000 views, then the next one got me 60,000. Then from there, I kept posting similar content. Right after those videos were posted, I reached over 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 watch hours, so I was admitted into the YouTube Partner Program. Now, yes, these videos did gain me a lot of subscribers, but this ultimately ended up being bad for my channel, and I'll tell you why in just a minute. So I started posting these stimulus check videos in early May, and I started actually making money on May 12th. Okay, so now I'm going to take you into my revenue on YouTube Studio and actually show you how I made most of my money over the mid to later half of 2020. Because what I did was not typical of a regular YouTube channel. A lot of my views came from non-subscribers as I was kind of jumping around topics and hopping on trends. So let's go into my revenue and you'll see what I'm talking about. So if I click my revenue, you can just see in the past 28 days, I've made $783. And that's mainly from 3 videos. I have 3 videos that are doing very well in YouTube search, including one about Neo cars, one about a free virtual credit card, and then my last one that's doing pretty well right now is an Acorns investment review video. So I just clicked and I clicked see more, and we're actually gonna filter this out to the past 365 days. So you can see once this loads, we can see all of my videos and what videos were actually bringing me in the most money. So you can see in the June, July, August timeframe, the videos bringing me in the most money are these blue, green, and yellow lines. Now those lines correspond with 3 videos to Susu related content. So basically I saw this trend where everyone was getting scammed from this pyramid scheme, and I made videos about it. Those videos ended up doing very, very well. I actually have a video about that if you want to watch it further. But those videos gained me a lot of money, $2,000, $2,000, and almost $700 respectively. Now let me go just click this overview box real quick. So you can see how I made my money throughout the past year. And as I told you guys, I didn't start making money till around May 12th. So from May 12th on, I've been making money via Google AdSense. Now the first month was a lot of stimulus check content. It wasn't making me too much, but it was a decent amount per day. Then there's that whole stretch you see where it kind of bumped up a little bit. And that period was where all those Susu videos were popping off, getting me a lot of views. And the good thing about those videos is that their ad rates were very, very good. And throughout this whole time of the summer into the fall, I was still doing stimulus check content, but I was getting pretty bored of it, and I didn't want my channel to be all about that content. So sporadically, I would throw in credit card videos, and I actually started making videos about electric vehicles and electric vehicle stocks that did generally well. So I actually just went and checked a lot of videos related to electric vehicle content, and you can see here on the graph that I got a decent amount of revenue from these, but there is one video in particular, this blue line, you can see it's bringing me in money for months. These are the type of videos that I aim to make here on YouTube. This one's titled Neo Cars, Could This Be the Next Tesla? And I go through, talk about this company, talk about their stock, and it's done very well because it provides people a good overview of the company, and people were looking for this content because the stock rose so much over these months. Now I also ended up making some videos about personal finance, investing, saving money, and how you can use mobile apps to do all of this, and some of those videos have gotten me good revenue over a long period of time. But here's where I went wrong here on YouTube. You can see around the September timeframe, my revenue kind of dropped off, and it's been steady ever since. This is when I decided to stop really doing stimulus check related content because I was not getting the viewers that I wanted to for my channel. My subscribers and viewers were only there to watch stimulus content, and that's not what I wanted to do for the long term. Remember how I told you that stimulus content would come back to bite me? Well, it did, because every time I post a video and subscribers see that video and it's not related to stimulus content, they don't click on it, and it drives the video's performance down. So I'm kind of in a hole right now trying to get out of it, but I'm going to be posting more topics that I actually like to discuss. These will include how to save money, going over money hacks, and other things such as cybersecurity and my general life. I do want to do a lot of videos based on this new house that me and my fiance just bought. So anyway, yes, I did make $11,186 the past 365 days here on YouTube, and I hope to grow that number here in 2021. If you guys have any more questions or any more video topics you want to see me do, put them down below in the comments. Don't forget to like this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.